Morning guys, so it's the 28th of February today, and yeah, I think everyone in England is basically snowed in. It's been how many days? I think Maui has been here for about 4 days now, and this is what he's faced with outside. This is just crazy. I mean, it is so snowy out there that our bottom step is almost completely covered in snow. Like, the snow's almost as deep as the step. There's actually ice hanging from the bottom of our car. Can you see it? That is how cold it is. Oh my god. I mean, I actually got up this morning and took Harry into preschool, which apparently I asked them, his preschool never closes because the owners live on site. It's on a farm, so they actually live on site, so there's always someone there, so they can always open it for people. But oh my god, it's normally a 10-15 minute drive from here. This morning it took me 20-25 minutes to drive there, and when I go get him this evening, it looks like it's going to take me even longer. Like, I really hope I can actually get out the driveway to go get him. Otherwise he's going to be sleeping there until next week. Good boy, Maui. What are you doing? Come on then.
It's rather snowy. Isn't it, Alfie? Dollies are in the back. I don't know if you can see them.
So we brought Maui out for his first walk. We've literally just come like just down the road, and oh my god, it is freezing. We bought sleds from Asda and sleds, whatever they're called. Yeah, Alfie's just sitting on there. We're pulling him in it. Alfie, Maui,
Batty.
Oh. Oh. Where is he? Oh gosh, yeah. No! Ow! Up you get! Up you get! Alfie's hands are cold. Alfie! Maui! Oh, gorgeous! Come on, mouse! Oh, good boy! First walks! First walk! So we just got back home, and mainly because it got really cold and windy, so the wind chill was taken into account, and it started snowing again. So we come home and I'm gonna shovel the drive. I never thought I would say that in England, because I lived in Michigan for 3 years, and every winter for about 3, 4, maybe 5 months of the year, you had to shovel your drive basically every day. Never thought I would have to do that in England. Oh my god, it is so cold. I've done most of the drive. It doesn't look pretty clear because for some reason it's just ice now, but I've just cleared the front bit. This bit is still got ridiculous amount of snow on it, and I've got a snow mound. Yay! Oh my god, this is only half of it, the other half's on the other side, but yeah, this is half of the snow from the main bit of the drive where I just drive in. Yeah, my snow mound. So actually quite high. It's probably about almost 3 foot high. Oh, there we go. Snow mound. Sort of clear driveway. So my camera has just died and I had a really long nap on the sofa and it's now about 3:30. So I have to go pick up Harry soon and I'm dreading it. I think it has just started snowing again. It's getting dark. I know it doesn't look it because the sun's beaming through this window, but it's going to be dark soon and I really don't want to go get him. It's going to be really bad, but hopefully it turns out good.